Hi, today we are going to play a slab baseline using subdivisions. First, we are going to set the notes that we are going to use. We are going to based on the E minor pentatonic, which has the next notes. The root E, then we have G as the flat third, perfect 4 A, perfect 5th B, and flat 7 D. So let's going to start playing a open E here with the slab, and then we are going to perform a hammer-on to G. Keep pressing the same note, and we are going to perform another slab, and finally a plucking on the octave. So the first group of 4 notes goes like this. Then we are going to add ghost notes. For performing the ghost notes, remember to hold the strings with your left hand, but you don't have to press too much, because otherwise you are going to obtain basses or even the notes, and we don't want that. So press slightly. We are going to play a slab, a popping, and then we are going to play the note D with the slab and the note E with the hammer on. Up to here we have. Then we are going to repeat the first 4 notes. And finally, we are going to make a rest. Then, for the second bar, we start all over. The first part of the second bar would be the same. The only difference is that on the rest, we are going to play this. And the octave, and G and the octave. Okay, up to here we have the notes. Now we are going to see the subdivisions. The easiest subdivision are the 8 notes. So for the 8 notes, remember that you have 2 notes per beat. So it would be something like this. Try to learn this until you feel comfortable, and after that you can use another subdivision, the 16th notes. In order to play the 16 notes, you have to subdivide the beat in 4 parts. So in each beat you will have to play 4 notes. remember to practice this first with the metronome, then you can practice this over a drum. And remember that when you pick a drum, the drum track to play this, you have to be careful, because when you are going to play using the 8 notes, you have to check the hi-hat on the drums. The hi-hat has to do the same subdivision. When you are going to play the 8 notes, the hi-hat has to do 8, and when you are going to do 16 notes, the hi-hat has to do the same. Once you have mastered this, I recommend you to try to come up with your own ideas, because this is just an example. The most important thing is that you understand this, play this, practice this, and try to come up with your own ideas. So, thank you for watching this. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please leave them in the comments.